Just like the Andoni and Ogoni people before them, the people of Ekpeye ethnic nationality from Ahoada East and Ahoada West local government areas are at the Government House Port Harcourt to pledge their loyalty and support to Governor Nyesom Wike, who is also their son-in-law. They say the governor has done well and therefore see no reason why he shouldn't aspire for a higher national call.
Ekpeye ethnic nation will be frontrunners in the support of the pursuit and actualization of that dream, as this is the only just and proper manner to reward a noble statesman and nationalist whose capacity for service delivery and vision knows no bound.
But Governor Nyesom Wike has bigger concerns on his mind. Chief among them is a worsening state of insecurity in the country.
Nigeria has collapsed. Security has collapsed. There's no day you will hear 10 people have been killed, 20 have been killed, 30 have been kidnapped. So there's no assurance of protection of your life. So you owe it to yourself now to protect yourself.
And with the federal government now appearing incapable of solving the nation's security challenges, Governor Wike wants Nigerians to unite to fight the monster that's about to devour the country.
We are friendly people who allow anybody to come here and do business. But nobody should go beyond doing the business to come and put unnecessary flag here. We will not take it. So all of you must open your eyes in your places.
And in the same vein, the governor says the curfew imposed in the state is to prevent further attacks.
Now that we put that curfew, we have been watching how crime rate is going down.
And while urging the people to report suspicious activities, Governor Nyesom Wike also wants parents in Rivers State to keep a close eye on their children and ensure that they do not become willing tools in the hands of enemies of the state.